Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing a couple of brow products. This is by the newer brand to the drugstore, Joah. I think that's how you say it. J-O-A-H. So I have a brow pencil and also a brow top coat. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. So the product I have, this is their Precision Brow Pencil. I have mine in the shade Black Brown, and this retails for $8.99. And then I have the Brow Down to Me Brow Top Coat in clear, and that is $5.99. So it looks like the brow pencil comes in 6 different shades. So it looks like they do have a gel. My CVS didn't have a gel, and this brand is only in one CVS in my whole city, which is crazy because my city is fairly big. But it does look like they have a brow pencil and gel combo. I didn't see that. But this is the top coat. Trying to see if there's any other colors besides the clear. It looks like all there is clear. I keep forgetting to tell you guys how much is in stuff, so I'm trying to remember. This has 0.28 fluid ounces, and the pencil is 0.08 grams or 0.002 ounces. I think that's fairly typical. So this is what the pencil looks like. You have the product on one side and a spoolie on the other, which I do really like. And then the matte brow, I hate calling it a top coat, but the top coat looks like this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. So let's go ahead and wipe off my brows and actually put this stuff on so you can see what it looks like. I'm just gonna take off one eyebrow. I'm just gonna use a micellar water and try not to get the rest of my face. Although I suppose I could. No, I don't really care. Alright, it looks like we're getting everything around it. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna have a weird line of my foundation color, my skin color. Let's just ignore that. Also, I am testing out their Glow Activator Radiance Primer. I don't want to give a review on a primer when only having used it once. So I'm going to keep reviewing or keep testing this, and then I'll let you know my thoughts. I'm going to zoom you in. Yeah, don't judge the application. We're just going to slap product on. It's late at night. I don't care really how it looks, so I'm going to zoom you in. This is as far as my camera goes. So hopefully you can see. Ignore the line of where my face doesn't match color-wise. Alright, so let's brush. So I'm not super articulate with how I do this. I know some people are like, brush it up, do a line, brush it down, do it like. For me, I have, if you can't tell, I have a lot of hair. Not a lot, but I have a decent amount of already in a structure on its own. So I kind of just fill in the gaps and I don't really worry too much about the rest. I'm not a huge brow person. I know, not a popular opinion, but I know, especially with looks that are glam looks, I need my brows because if not, they're just very light. I'm liking how this applies really nicely. I don't have to push hard to get a lot of product out, which is really nice. So, and it does glide on, but it's not budging. So it's not too creamy that it would move. I'm gonna leave it at that because like I said, I am just gonna take my whole face off after this. But I just wanted you to see that the product does glide on really nicely. And like I said, it's not too creamy that it's moving everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the top coat. The only problem I had with the top coat earlier is a lot comes off on the brush, so you will want to kind of get it off on this a little bit because a lot does come out, and then I had a glop on my eye, and so then I had to go in with a dry spoolie and try to get it out, which it came out really easily, so I didn't have a problem with that. I just would rather not do it again. So we're just going to use a little amount, and I just swiped too hard. Whoops. And there's still a glop. Alright, so, okay. So when I use these, my preference is to still always go back in with the spoolie and just kind of spoolie it back out because I just feel like there's so much product on the end of the top coat or any brow cover like that, brow coat, brow top, whatever. There's already so much product on it that I just like using this because I feel like I can get the shape. I can put the top coat product in, but then I use another spoolie to actually shape it back, you know, because when you put that in, your hairs kind of move and whatnot. So now I'm going to zoom back out and then go to my final thoughts. So I've had these brow products on for about 8 hours, probably actually a little more than 8 hours, and this is how they look after 8 hours. Let me zoom you in so you can see. Don't judge me on my brow application. We're just judging on the longevity, okay? So if you can see, I'm losing a little bit product right there. Other than that, these look the same that they looked this morning. The gel is a little crunchy, but not really, which is good for me because it means it stays longer, but it's all still there. Alright, I'm gonna zoom you back out. So my overall thoughts on these products are actually that they're really good. I like how this applies. It applies really nicely and the product is there. And it's really, I think, easy to work with, and I do love that it is a precision one, so it's really small. And for me, I like this color. And then for the clear brow color, the top coat, I do like this as well. I do wish the brow was, I do wish the spoolie was a little shorter, but I can still work with this. Yeah, but I mean, it worked really nicely, and I love the price point on these. So my only problem is I wish more stores had them in my area especially. Luckily, I moved, so I kind of live closer to it now. But I don't know. To me, it's kind of weird that it's not in all of the CVS's, only because I am in the capital of my state, and yet it's still only at one CVS. But whatever. So I do think these are really good products. I really love the price point, and I definitely would suggest them. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.